That's the fuel pickup. Goes to a quick release, then that goes the full length of the van. Fuel line's wrapped in some conduit. Same fuel line goes full length of the chassis. And mount the fuel pump up under there. Comes back out. That's the back side of the heater. There's the exhaust. Little plugs on there to stop the dust. There's the heater. It's a Webasto, obviously. Also, I've got a master switch there for the heater, so I can turn it on and off. That's the heater outlet, just a bit of high density foam. And this is the control unit, which mounts to the unit at the back of the van.